Noon, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus as a prolific speaker, as someone always in front of people, teaching them, accompanying them in this life, would have also noticed that not everyone were that engaging or shall we say willing to listen always to Him. May mga gusto, may mga taong ayaw pa ring maniwala o madaming patuloy na may tanong at may mga iniisipang iba habang siya ay naroroon o siya ay nagtuturo. In today's gospel, with all the many things we would wish to consider as a reflection, Jesus gave this clause to the crowds in front of Him. John, he commended John's presence as more than a prophet. He commended those things his cousin did. He gave them the idea and the truth that up until now, those believing, those who are in the kingdom of heaven, suffers violence until now. And towards the end, Jesus said, "And if you are willing to accept it, He is Elijah, the one who is to come." Jesus may have felt that some receives the teachings fully, but some would receive His presence and teachings with inhibitions or maybe with questions. And my dear brothers and sisters, this is a good ingredient for all of us as we are towards the halfway of our Advent journey. To fill our hearts not with inhibitions or conditions to the coming of Jesus, but to fill our very selves with willingness. Nang may pagnanais pa din tayong lumakbay sa mga araw na ito, hanggang sa marating po natin ang Pasko. Ang dali po kasing laging may mga pagdududa o may mga kadenang patuloy na umiipit sa ating maniwala at yakapin ang Diyos. But Advent season, this season is here for us to exercise our hearts to that sense of willingness. Na gusto patin natin ang Diyos araw-araw. Na gusto natin sa Pasko araw-araw. Na gusto nating pumasok ang Diyos at dumating siya sa ating buhay. Let us embrace Jesus not with the inhibitions and conditions, but with the willingness of our hearts. Madami kasing pagdating na marahil panay kondisyon. Papapasukin kita sa buhay ko, basta may dala ka. O kaya may dadating sa ating buhay at sasabihin natin parang hindi naman totoo yung iyong pagdating. But let us face this reality and this good news that Jesus comes with happiness and with grace. And it is for us to receive Him, not with inhibitions, not with conditions, but with the willingness of our hearts.